mengenai uh, sesuatu hal yang aku suka. Jadi aku tuh suka banget yang namanya nyari barang hilang, as long as aku nggak lagi diburu oleh waktu. So jadi tadi tuh aku kan pulang dari kampus ya, dan ketika aku sampai di depan kosan, aku sadar bahwa kunci kos dan kunci gerbang kos aku itu gak ada di dashboard motor sebelah kanan aku. Dan kayak aku di sana, I felt very upset, of course, that's one. Second, I felt so tired karena tuh aku seharian ada acara dan it was like 8:30 already. Jadi kayak I just wanted to be home. Terus the third, aku mules. Aku pengen segera, I wanted to shit so bad. So pada saat itu, with those feelings, aku mencoba untuk I didn't want to freak myself out more karena it could have like ruined like the rest of my night, dan aku gak mau hal itu terjadi. So I try to get onto the situation dan just like calming myself down, doing the breathing and all. And then aku mulai like doing little detective things. Jadi aku mulai my brain started to like process everything, going back to the first time aku OTW ke kampus and such. Jadi tuh aku tuh nggak pernah naruh kunci itu di tas aku lagi. Karena kenapa? Karena aku ngerasa kayak ya udah, it's easier kalau misalnya aku taruh either di saku celana or di dashboard motor. Soalnya so far ya nggak pernah hilang atau gimana, dan kayak gampang aja. It's more like it's easier untuk aku buka pagar without having to ambil tas aku dulu and then like everything. So jadi first aku yakin bahwa kunci aku itu di dashboard aku, that's one. And then aku mengingat lagi bahwa aku seharian aku nggak ngeluarin kunci sama sekali. Ya udah di dashboard aja gitu karena aku full banget kegiatan acara di kampus. And then aku mencoba mengulang lagi lah pokoknya keseharian aku sampai ketika aku pulang. Aku harus pulang dan posisi itu aku tuh sangat pengen banget sampai rumah. So I kind of like ngebut di jalan karena ya nggak terlalu rame juga. Sebenarnya rame sih, tapi ya pokoknya aku lumayan ngebut. And then like oh shit. And then ketika aku pulang di jalan Kodau, aku itu melewati banyak banget polisi tidur. Tapi aku mengingat bahwa ada 2 polisi tidur yang aku itu ngebut banget dan aku gak slowing down. I didn't slow down ketika aku melewati 2 polisi tidur. Dan pada saat itu ketika aku ngebut di 2 polisi tidur itu tuh kayak gini, ngebut terus polisi tidur itu kayak motor aku sama aku itu kayak loncat gitu. So like aku memberi kesimpulan kedua bahwa bisa aja kunci aku tuh jatuh ketika posisi motor di atas dan kayak dashboardnya juga like jadinya kayak semua itu pasti loncat gitu, and then kuncinya juga loncat, and then it could have like perhaps like fallen uh, ke 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 apa jalan, and then abis itu ya udah kayak aku merasa bahwa oke, kunci aku hilang, dan hilangnya mungkin di sekitar antara dua polisi tidur itu. Akhirnya tanpa pikir panjang aku langsung balik puter, dan kayak ketika aku puter balik itu kan pasti posisi aku OTW ke kosan dan posisi aku jalan ke kampus itu kan beda. Jadi kayak ketika aku jalan itu balik itu aku ngeliatin di jalan bagian kanan karena ya that's the arah ketika aku pulang. Tapi terus kayaknya itu nggak terlalu efisien soalnya kayak itu lumayan rame jalannya, dan aku harus pelan-pelan ngelihatin jalan. Jadinya aku mencari titik start aku untuk melihat jalanan. Jadi aku mencari titik start di sebelum lampu polisi tidur yang pertama aku keputin. So I started from there, aku putar balik, and then aku bertemu dengan polisi tidur pertama. Terus kayak aku berhenti, aku mengobservasi dan aku nge-scan like I was scanning the sekitar lampu polisi tidur itu tuh kayak nggak ada gitu kan. I tried to find the shape of the keys, terus kayak the cahaya yang dibentuk oleh pancaran dari kunci tersebut, karena kayak kuncinya dari mungkin kayak keluarga aluminium, keluarga besi, I don't know the material. Terus ya udah, tanpa merusak semangat, I moved on to the next polisi tidur, dan polisi tidurnya itu di depannya Alfa Midi pas. Terus ya udah aku berhenti di pinggir, terus kayak scanning everything, and then I found it. Jadi itu kayak di tengah jalan, di deket, jadi kayak posisi kuncinya itu nggak terlalu deket dari polisi tidur itu, karena mungkin ketika aku ngebut terus loncat, terus itu tuh kayak like the hukum fisika or something, pung, jadi kayak kesini, terus baru jatuh di daerah like beberapa meter dari polisi tidur itu. I found it. Terus kayak aku berhenti, permisi, enggak sih sebenarnya, mau ada truk langsung berhenti, itu kayaknya kayak tahu banget aku lagi nyari sesuatu di jalan raya. So yeah, I found it, yay. It felt like I was a detective. Kayak wow, I cracked my own case. Wow, within minutes. So anyway, yeah. And then I was so happy that I finally found the keys. Terus akhirnya aku balik ke kosan and then like open the gate and then like masuk ke kosan, and then like I shot because yeah, I was mules. Anyway, yeah, it was so fun actually. Like I I low-key didn't know that I needed it that time, padahal I was already so like tired uh, dari acara itu kan. Tapi ya, um, I don't know why, but it felt like everything works out in my life. Like everything can work out. I mean, I know that everything can work out, tapi kayak in that time, I really enjoyed the decision making, like the problem solving, and then um, just like like trying to not freak out. I just felt like I knew I could find a way. You know, like it's just crazy. Like one day you just feel like you can do everything that you want. Like one moment, like literally, it can make you feel like everything works out, and it actually is working out. So like, yeah. So the point of it is, well, it's not always as easy as it sounds, but I just feel like when you give yourself a chance to actually pay attention and like be open to all the possibilities that like can happen in your life, things you can actually like achieve so many things. Like you can actually like feel things are becoming something. Like you are reaching it, and things are coming. Like, things are coming at you. Like they're going to beat you in a good way possible. Yeah, that moment of finding made me feel so capable of so many things. Yeah, the it just it felt really nice. It's not actually like the part of finding it. Like it's not the it's not about the part that when you actually found it. It's not that part. For me, it was the part of like me gathering things, like paying attention to things that I saw, that I felt, that I noticed, like gathering everything, and then like it's just like baking. It's like cooking something. You're like making something with with the things that you've gathered. It because you you paid attention to things. Jadi yeah, I just feel like things like I feel so powerful. Kayak I'm never bored to tell people that when you actually like give yourself a chance to be open to all the things are that you might not feel like deserving, like be open to things, all the possibilities of change. You're actually okay. Like you can be okay. Like you can allow yourself to be okay. Who would have thought losing my keys and finding it would make me would lead me to this moment of realization?